Welcome back to our smart home audio and premium tech showcase. Today we are performing a comprehensive technical analysis of a highly specialized, compact smart speaker engineered to deliver elite acoustic engineering without compromising your personal space. The Sonos Era 100 SL wireless speaker represents a major milestone in privacy-focused modern design. It is crucial to clarify right away that while standard smart speakers are packed with internal microphones that constantly monitor your room for voice triggers, this hardware-modified speaker completely eliminates those components. Sonos has engineered this microphone-free powerhouse with dual-angle tweeters, a 47% faster processing chip, and seamless dual-band Wi-Fi 6 connectivity to provide music lovers and privacy advocates with an unbeatable, clutter-free stereo soundstage. The foundational engineering triumph of the Era 100 SL architecture centers directly on its physical acoustic reconfiguration. Moving past the old single tweeter design of the legacy Sonos One, this updated cabinet houses two precisely angled high-frequency tweeters loaded with custom waveforms. This layout splits the audio signal into a genuine, wide stereo image from a single tabletop footprint. These are paired beautifully with a massive, enlarged midwoofer that pushes deep, punchy low-end extension down to 45 Hz. Driven by three discrete Class D digital amplifiers that are custom-tuned to the speaker's exact internal shell space, it provides rich, crisp vocal separation and clean musical warmth that easily fills an entire bedroom or office. But what truly elevates the daily user experience is how this speaker bridges modern wireless audio networks and traditional physical setups. Operating on ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, the Era 100 SL streams high-fidelity, uncompressed music smoothly without annoying dropouts. Turn the speaker around, and you will find an advanced USB Type-C line port. By linking the optional Sonos adapter, you can plug an analog vinyl turntable or a desktop computer straight into the speaker. If you have an existing Sonos layout, you can easily pair two of these speakers together to act as discrete rear surround channels for a wireless Dolby Atmos theater set. Complete with smart TruePlay room calibration that tunes the sound to the unique layout of your furniture, it stands as the gold standard for high-performance, private home audio. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below to let us know if this microphone-free speaker is the perfect fit for your home.